You eat something? What? What is it? This one? What did you eat? This one? You eat something in here?
Yes.
Ano? Kinain mo to? Ma! So, let's unbox this tatlong parcel na nagdating kanina lang. So, let's go. So, may bago na po tayong callbook. This is Hello Kitty. This is not PVC. Yan, so cute niya. Keychain. So, dito ka muna.